Welcome to the Defender Guide. Today we are taking care of the lid replacement. Sometimes it is enough to replace only the lid of a cable protector instead of replacing the entire protector. This saves time and costs. In addition, we also offer the Luxe version for most Defender products. With a lid replacement, you can always ensure the right level of protection here as well. Here we have a Defender MIDI cable protector. In the first step, I prepare the new lid and the required tools. In the second step, I open the lid and spray the hinge connections with Defender maintenance spray. Afterwards, I take a standard screwdriver and carefully lift out the lid. While doing so, I make sure not to damage the side edges. Then I take the new lid. The hinge connections of the new lid are sprayed with Defender maintenance spray before installation. Afterwards, I place the new lid onto the cable protector and align it properly. Using a soft-faced hammer and precise strikes on the hinges, the new lid is fitted into place. It is important to ensure that the lid can be securely closed again after installation and that it cannot open by itself under load. That's all for today. If you have any questions about Defender products, feel free to contact us anytime. We'll help you find the right solution for your application.